What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at the CCE Airdrone 1. And Ranger's laying over there on the floor. Let me spin the camera around and let you see. There he's laying on the pumpkin blanket. Oh, he's a good baby. He's sleeping though. Anyway, there it is. It's a toy quadcopter, and it has a couple of features on there like altitude hold, flips, headless mode, variable speed, you know, the usual suspects. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. All right, here it is out of the box, and you see you got the transmitter here. We'll go with this first. There's your takeoff, land, headless mode. What does that say on there? Flip. Yeah, flips, and I'm sure the rates. One of these will be the rates. Maybe it's this one. Who knows? Oh, no, there it is right there. Speed. Right there. Plus, minus. So it's only two speeds, low and high. So, yeah, that's good. There's the batteries. It takes two AAA batteries. But you got to put that dang screw back in there. So that's why it's in there. Then you got the quadcopter itself. Now, you get two batteries with it, okay? So, and they go right in here. Right there, like that. Now, this is the non-camera version. I didn't get the camera version. I got the non-camera version. Right there it is. So I don't think this one has the... No. I was looking for the little Wi-Fi antenna sticking out of there, but no, they don't put it on there. I thought that maybe they would leave it in all the versions, but they don't. Anyway, so I prefer not to have the camera version because, you know, the cameras on these things are usually terrible, right? Okay, so here's your extra battery, and the batteries are 3.7380s. So you're probably looking at like 6 minutes or something. Then you got a little bag of stuff here, which is the charger, screwdriver, prop guards, and spare props, and a manual. So that's not going to be too complicated. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off in here, fly it around in the kitchen for a minute, let you hear it, and then we'll take it out and fly it. Let's turn it on. There goes that. So it's bound up. Let's try the level calibration. Oh, that just started to... I don't know. Okay, so those lights stopped, so maybe that did that. Because I'm not sure. I did the usual way and it didn't do it. So, well, we'll wing it. How about that? Range said beat it. Oh, let me back out the camera a little bit so you can see it more. All right, so let's take off and try to figure it out. That's the flip button there. Okay, so to take off on this thing, you just lift the stick up in the air. You just point the stick up. I was trying to get the motors to start and all that, nothing would happen. And I just pushed up on the stick and it just took off. So that's what you do. Wow, look how tight those flips are. Yeah, nice. Let me turn the rate up on the speed here. Yeah. That don't sound too good. Oh, the cat's Range is gonna go check it out now. Oh my goodness. No big loss, trust me. You know these toy quadcopters are basically indestructible. People do that crap all the time. So let's see if we can take off again. Believe me, that crash sounded a lot worse than it was. Okay, so that's it. Let's see if this button works for the landing, because it wouldn't take off when I hit it. Yeah, it did. It works for the landing. Okay. So let's just charge it up and take it out and fly it around. All right, guys. We're out here with the Airdrone 1, the CCE Airdrone 1. And there it is. It's a beauty. It's a classic. So we're going to fly this thing around a little bit and see how it works out. Oh, that's the one you push up on the... I'd forgotten that already. Now this thing only has 2 rates. Wow, look at it go. Wow. Flies great. Wow. It is raining a little bit, so we're out here in the rain. All right, so let's do a flip. Flips are great. Let's do another one. Another one. I already started to lose the bind there. I felt it. You know that when you move the stick and nothing happens? Okay, so you don't want to get too far away with this thing. But the rain, it's raining pretty good, actually. Let me see if I can get this thing sitting still, because it's wandering around a little bit here. Hold on a minute. Okay, there it goes. I got the... Yeah, it's nice and quiet too. So I got it in the height, the second rate. There's the speeds, they're high and low. That's all you get, okay? You just get 2. But it does fly real nice. This is great for the kids right here. The rain is picking up considerably, so I'm not going to be able to fly right now. I'm going to have to pack it in after this flight, because I was going to fly the FEMI Mini over to that building over there that I think they're going to be tearing down. Yeah. All right, guys, this thing flies spectacularly. Okay. Awesome. Awesome flyer. Look, wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes, the rain is definitely picking up a lot here. So we're going to be heading out. This thing is extremely nimble. Okay, so at least I got to fly two really nice ones today. The Air Knight without a night and the Airdrone 1. Wow, does this thing fly nice. Holy cow. Oh yeah, this thing is smooth as butter. Smooth as glass. Look at that thing. Wow. You can see raindrops all over it there. But, you know, it's not hurting nothing. It's indestructible. Oh yeah, this is a fun little toy here. Wow. Great stuff. Uh-oh. I almost hit myself with that one. I'm just riding out the battery, guys. I know the battery's going to take a dump here any second. I'm counting on it. Because this rain's getting harder. I will put the flight time in for you, as I always do. The Airdrone 1. It's like Air Force One. Yeah. It's real quiet too. Okay, there goes the lights. The warning lights are flashing that that the battery's crapping out. Here, I'll try a flip. Nope. Okay. So, I'm going to try to get maximum maximum flight time for you. But I'm sure it'll be crapping out any second. Now you got to remember, these toy quadcopters, whenever you're in the low battery condition like we are now, you're best to keep them close to you. Because if you start getting too far away, they will start acting weird when the battery's real low. Sometimes they'll go out of the range real quick and stuff like that. And then you also, you don't want it just to land, because, you know, I don't know what's going to happen here. You know, I don't know if it's just going to slowly land, if it's just going to drop out of the sky. So then you don't know what's going to happen, then you're best off just keeping it close like this until the battery craps out. So, but the flight time on here was pretty good. I mean, for a toy. I mean, it's still flying. It's just letting you know that the battery's going low. So get it back to you close. Yeah, Airdrone 1. Oh, there it goes. All right, great stuff. Wow, Airdrone 1. Very impressed. Very impressive toy. All right, guys, that's it. I'm wrapping it up with the Airdrone 1. Because I got to get back home because it's raining. Have a nice day.